Hello and welcome to Zion Foodtrucks. Today on this beautiful day, early spring day here in Denver, we are shipping this sushi and Mediterranean truck to Aspen, Colorado, which is a beautiful town here in the mountains. This is a 14-foot truck, slightly different in that this is not a step van like one of these. Instead, it is a box truck. Check out the beautiful graphics on it. It's obviously a sushi truck, so it's very Japanese themed, and it has a very nice color on it as well. It's a 14-foot truck, like I said, and inside this is the access. Actually, you can see the propane tank here. It's a 100-pound tank. Inside that box is the access port for it. Up top is the fan. Inside this is the generator, which is 12,500 watts. Of course, it's on a slider, and it has a door on it so it doesn't get stolen and that kind of stuff. I'm 6 foot tall and can easily fit under it. Also keeps the vibrations and noise of the generator down. Let's go inside and see its many features. Of course, the back is also wrapped quite beautifully. In Colorado, it is required by code that all spaces that are occupied by humans have a ingress and an egress. This is the egress. It's also part of the cooking wall, so it's covered in stainless. This is the inside part of the generator box, which works just like a table. Shelves on top for storage. That's the panels for the various electrical outlets. They've not been labeled yet. They will be before shipment. 3-compartment sink, water heater, the K series fire extinguisher, ABC fire extinguisher. What's sitting inside is the table, the service shelf as we call it. That's the hand wash sink with splash guards. Hand wash soap dispenser, towel dispenser. Many outlets here provided for the customer to connect various equipment to. The fresh water tank is here. The gray water tank is under the floor of the truck. Of course, we covered the wheel wells with the diamond plate. The entire floor of the truck is diamond plate. The walls are stainless steel. As for cooking equipment, it's got I think it's a 36 or 36-inch range, which has 6 burners and a oven at the bottom, a fryer, and of course it has a lid as well to prevent the grease from sloshing over. Of course, there's fire suppression system on the cooking equipment. 48-inch sandwich prep table, a freezer which is 48 inch as well, worktop freezer, so it can be used just like a table. Another service table here, because we caulk all the gaps to prevent moisture from going inside. Refrigerator. Again, more outlets all over around. All of these outlets have their own breakers. Idea is that if one of these breaks, it's not going to take out something else. LED lights inside and a air conditioner. Inside the walls is 1 inch of 1 inch of insulation and 1 inch of plywood. Makes it a very nice and comfortable place to work in, especially along with the AC on top. You can see that the gas lines are under the floor of the truck. Idea is that if it leaks tomorrow, not going to leak tomorrow, maybe 10 years from today, it leaks outside, not on the inside. Only the stubs would stick out, and of course those hoses, they are UL listed hoses to prevent any damage due to vibration or that kind of stuff. That valve over there is to cut off the gas supply in case there is a deployment of the fire suppression system, which is of course certified. All equipment are mounted to the floor with washers, and our custom feet that we make, all of them. And the gap between all of these panels, there are trims. This is to prevent grease from getting inside. If you have any questions or anything else that we can do for you, please do reach out through our website, zionfoodtrucks.com. Thank you. Have a nice one.